Good morning. Today we will discuss the course is digital image processing. The topic is overview of image processing. First we see the course content. What is a digital image? Then digital image processing. Third one is the basic steps involved in the digital image processing. The last one is the types of an image. First we see the what is a digital image. It is a representation of 2D image. It's the only two-directional image that is actually represented f of x comma y. So two-dimensional x and y axis. It is a finite set of digital values. It is called a picture image element or pixels. Mostly we are using the term is the pixels. Here see the image. Here have here some energy source. It's come to the scene elements. It is goes to the imaging systems. The imaging system is view of the image plan. After we see the our output image, displaced output image is the final image format. Here the pixel values typically represent here gray levels, colors and height extra. Here remember the distinction implies that a digital image is an approximation of a real scene. Here in simple terms of an image, it can be defined as a two-dimensional array. It is simply called row and columns. Here we know the image are represented in a row and columns. The following syntax in which images are represented. Here the left hand side have a f of x comma y functions, the two-dimensional image. It is represented a number of rows and columns. For example, f of 0 comma 0, the row and column 0 to 0 and f of 0 comma n minus 1 like that. So here based on the image we have the number of rows and columns in a particular image. Next, a digital image is consists of finite number of elements. Here each of which has a specific value or specific position in the matrix format. These are known as picture elements or image elements or pixels. So a pixel is commonly used to represent the elements of a digital image. So the key elements of digital image is a pixels. Next, what is a digital image processing? It is involves using computer algorithms to enhance or extract useful information or data from our digital images. Here the image processing involves the use of algorithms and as well as mathematical models to analyze and process the digital images. Here next we see some basic steps in digital image processing includes. Here the 5 to 6 steps is the main process in the image processing steps. Here the first one is image acquisition. Here this involves capturing an image using a digital camera or scanner or transforming an existing image into a systems. It is the first step in the image processing. It is a pre-processing steps. The second one is the image enhancement. Here, image enhancing image visual quality. Our visual quality by increasing contrast, decreasing noise and removing imperfection spot. So here only do the image enhancing process. Next, the third one is the image restoration. Here, removing degradation from an image, such as like blurring and noise and distortions. These spots and all remove from the steps. In this particular steps. The fourth one is the image segmentations. This involves dividing an image into some regions or segments. Here each of which corresponds to a specific object or feature in the image. Here particularly segment the image. Here see the some examples of, here have a our input image. The second image is a segmentation. It is based on the object, regions and some segments to segregate the based on the features or specific object from an image. Next, the fifth one is image representation and descriptions. This includes presenting an image in a form that a computer can analyze and modify, as well as expressing the features of an image in a compact and relatable format. So here the image represent and the descriptions in the steps. The next one is the image analysis. Here this is extracting information from an image based on our algorithms and mathematical models like recognition of object, finding some patterns and identifying the features. These three are the main in the image analysis steps. Next, image synthesis and compressions. It involves creating a new images or compress previous image in order to reduce storage as well as transmission requirements. So it's the main things in the image synthesis and compression steps. Medical imaging and remote sensing, computer vision and multimedia application, significant use of digital image processing applications. The next we see the last topic is types of an image. Here the first type is the binary image. The binary image is its name as contain only two pixel elements. Already we know the binary. So binary is the 0 and 1 value. Here 0 refers to a black color. The 1 refers to a white color. This image is called as a binary image, also known as a monochrome. Then the second type is black and white image. Here the image is consists of only black and white color is called black and white images. Next, third type is 8-bit color format. Here it is the most famous image format, 8-bit color format. It has 256 different shades of color in it and commonly known as a grayscale image. So it is a grayscale image. In this grayscale format, 0 standards for black and 255 standards for a white and 127 standards for a gray level. The last one is the 16-bit color format. It is a color image format. It has some different colors in it. It is known as a high color format. In this format, the distribution of color is not the same as a grayscale image format. So these four types are mainly we use it in the image types. So binary, black and white and 8-bit color format and 16-bit color format. Thank you.